Stavi? Yeah.
What is this place now?
Nice building, eh?
Shop, maybe a shop.
This is a store? Really? Look. What is this place now?
Nice building, eh?
Shop, maybe a shop.
This is a store? Really? It look like a jail house and then it's up there in Hawaii.
We're going to check out some Indian wear here. This is the street with all the night spots, really. There's a shop for Bollywood fashions here. They have OMG over there. So we're going upstairs. Downstairs is jewelry. Upstairs looks like
What's the biggest number you know?
you choose anything yet? Look at this one.
Which one is? So you guys move here permanently? You move here?
No.
To Guyana? How do you like Guyana?
Nice.
But India is more nice.
India
Of
more
course,
nice?
yes.
home
Your own
country is all.
country.
Yeah, my
Nice.
country, work palace.
So you from Delhi?
Yeah.
Of
Delhi,
course, your
Mumbai
country more
mostly.
nice. Oh look, we bought the same bangles. How much are these?
3,000.
3,000, that's one.
3,000?
$30. Same Canadian rate.
No, less than $30.
Oh, we paid 25 Canadian. So how do you go home from here?
Rent?
Train?
No, right here, Prasadanagar.
They rent.
Yes,
rent?
You rent.
Yeah.
Students or you just come to live Guyana?
No, working.
Working Guyana? Like our great grandparents, you now come to?
Yeah.
Indian company, everything is India, not
Where are your
from
parents? Back home?
India.
Oh.
Mom, dad, sister, brother, all is India.
So
Only
this
way
is why
is
you're
come.
in Guyana?
No, these guys work hard. They go different countries, they study.
Yeah.
This one 35,000. We 4 countries in the world. Suriname, the Guyana, Saudi, 4-5 countries got.
Saudi Arabia, yeah, popular too.
Everything company is the more Holland maybe one branch, Guyana, Suriname, all
Mm-hmm.
4-5 countries, same company.
They got a lot of
Oh,
stuff
you
in
mean
here.
the dresses?
Yes.
Nice.
No, where they go to work and stuff is that.
Yeah, for this couple.
Mm.
Also, this is made already, or you have to make it?
Make it this cloth on this. You side is the naked.
So how much is this one? I like to see my girlfriend in this one.
This one, this is 45,000.
45,000?
Yes.
Not bad, eh? You like that, girlfriend?
Yeah, it's nice. What this one here? What's the price for this? But it's too simple.
This one, 35,000. This.
This one is cheaper.
Like we
But
can't,
they have a wide variety.
Mhm. like we can't function right now.
They get basuri. Check out these guys. Lots of dresses. So if you're coming to Guyana and you're looking for wedding wear or whatever, this is the place to come. Well, of course, there's a lot of other places, but I'm just showing you one that we happen to come in here. These girls are looking for wedding wear. The ladies.
I have mine already.
What's the word? So you transfer?
Yes.
Why didn't she ask them how to?
They got a golden girl.
She got one. There's a step on the side to come up. Yes. You wanted to take out this one. You could show me like the size. 36.
38, 46. 40, with 48 size. No. Too big?
I just want an ID and price.
12,000. This pattern. This is top.
Well,
Down taking?
No, he said don't take it in.
Huh?
Taylor come, he said don't take it.
good. They pack
you have juta here too. Juta, shoes.
48 size. Even if didn't pack. Yeah, different color. The gold color.
Oh, but I mean 48.
Bangles.
The 248,000.
Here's expensive.
The 52. The
500 earring for the. So what's your actual language?
Okay, which one of these patches?
Are you going from?
You want a 5,000 you said, right?
That one nice. Does that feel heavy?
Tough pants.
3,000.
Put my head. But the choice not the cottage.
If you like in a long, I will not tell us length do it, I will do it for length. Cut off.
But any person at home.
No, I say.
Alright. Back out. Got some stuff in there. Okay guys, so that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed a little video there shopping. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and as always, thanks for watching.